This is a capital B. This is a lowercase b.
Hi guys, I'm Betty. Let's derive a beautiful picture together. What animal is this? This is Squirrel. Let's coloring. Orange. Yellow color. Brown color.
The letter sounds, we can show you how. What letter shall we learn? Let's find out now. Let's learn about the letter B. This is a capital B. This is a lowercase b. You know how the B looks, now let's make the letter B sound. B, 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 b. Yes! B is for ball. B is for baby. B is for a blue balloon. B is for book. B is for bird. B is for the bus. You know some B words, now let's make the letter B sound. B, 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 b. Your turn. Ba 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 ba.